Example number 6. All right, just like before, Descartes' rule of signs to start us off. Oops. Positive roots first. The only sign change I see is back here where it goes from positive to negative. So there is a maximum of 1, positive real 0. F of negative x. Let's sub in and simplify that to find our negatives. All right, so I've substituted in. I have simplified. There's a sign change here. It goes from negative to being positive, and then from positive to negative, and then the 12 is negative, so it stays negative. 2 sign changes, which means there could be 2 negative roots, or there could be no negative roots. Has to be 1 positive root. So that means on my non-real roots, remember, it's got to add up to my degree. My degree is 3. So if there's 1 positive and 2 negative, then there aren't any real roots. Or sorry, any non-real roots. Degree is 3. If there's 1 positive real root and there are no negative roots, then there would have to be 2 imaginary roots, 2 non-real roots. All right, let's do P and Q so that we know what numbers to kind of start guessing and checking with here. All right, P is negative 12, so I've got plus or minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Q is 1, so that list of factors of P, that is my exhaustive list of all possible rational zeros for this function. So I'm going to start substituting in, starting with 1. So I have 1 plus 7 plus 4 minus 12. So 8 plus 4, that's 12 minus 12. I found my very first 0 on the first try. So let's do our synthetic division. And we will then be able to factor this because that will turn it into a quadratic. We might need to use quadratic formula because remember there might be imaginary roots. I am not sure. We will find out when we get there. All right. So doing my synthetic division, I got 1x squared plus 8x plus 12. I am pretty sure that that factors. So let's pull that off to the side. 2 numbers that multiply to give me 12, but add to 8. Yeah, that's 6 and 2. So that means this would be x plus 6 and x plus 2. So I've got my solutions. This is degree 3. We found our first root, our first 0, our first solution on the first try. So 1. And then we've got negative 2 and negative 6. Nice and short and sweet.